Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Sumadhura Panorama, which is located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore, a project developed by Sumadhura Group. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, plot size, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, we are here on the actual side of Sumadhura Panorama, and this is the marketing office where you'll be getting all the details and information of this project. And about the land parcel where the construction work is going on is over here. So you can check out the 50% of construction work is completed for this project. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. But before beginning, let me show you the land parcel in detail. So now you can have a perfect look of the land parcel. This is total 100 acres of land parcel which will be developed in phases. Basically in two phases. Let's now focus on phase 1. So, the phase 1 will be developed in 50 acres with 539 plots and all. Now about the location part, this project is located on NH44 in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. And let me show you that this road over here will take you towards National Highway 44. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So this project is 5 minutes away from Devanahalli Business Park and Prestige Tech Park, with 10 minutes away from Kampagoda International Airport, 12 minutes away from KIADB Aerospace Park. Now about the amenities part, and this project will provide you 45 plus luxurious amenities like of sports arena with all the sports activities, and other amenities are divided into two parts with theme base. So number 1 theme is Kerala theme, which contains courtyard, kolam, that is the pond, and many more. Other theme is the Bellur theme, which contains the clubhouse, swimming pool, which is Olympic size, and many more amenities in this project. Now coming to the plot size, and plots here in this project are starting from 1200 square feet and goes up to 7000 square feet. Now about the booking process, and the project booking windows are open now. Interested clients can visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel and guide you about the location as well. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential plotted project that is Sumadhura Panorama, which is located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore, a project developed by Sumadhura Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.